Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we shall be looking at algebraic processes. Specifically, we will be considering substitution. So without wasting much of our time, let's get down to this. Now this is a question before us. In this very question, we are given some parameters that have already been defined. Just as we have a to be 1, b to be 2, c to be 3, m to be 4, and n to be 5. We are asked to find the value of the square root of n into m plus b plus a. Alright, so how do we do this? We simply just substitute all the values that we have, then we simplify as much as we can. Alright, so let's just go straight to this. We have the square root. From the definition given to us, n has been defined to be 5. So we have 5 into m, which is 4, added to b, which is 2, plus 1. So this is very easy. So what do we need to do next? It's just to simplify what we have under this bracket. Alright, so we have 5 into 6 plus 1. And this is going to give us, this is 5 times 6. We are going to multiply. Can multiply this, which is 30, plus 1. Which is finally going to give us root 31. Alright, we can leave our answer like this. This is very okay. Since this is already a solved in its basic form, please, if you are still having challenges on how to take a solve to its basic form, please kindly go to our channel and watch our video on solves. Alright, so let's take another question. This is question 2. In this case, we are given this particular expression. This is x plus y divided by x minus y all squared. How do we solve question like this? X plus y divided by x minus y all squared is the same thing as saying x plus y divided by x minus y, then multiplying another one, which is x plus y divided by x minus 1. Okay, and this can also be further simplified as x plus y multiplying x plus y divided by x minus y multiplying by x minus y. Okay, multiply by x minus y rather. Alright, so what do we do next? We simply put in our values and substitute accordingly. Alright, so we have our x to be negative 7. So we have negative 7 plus y, which is 3, being multiplied to another negative 7 plus 3, because our y is giving us 3. So divided by, open another bracket, we have x, which is negative 7 minus 3 this time around, and it's being multiplied by negative 7 minus 3. Alright, so we simply just simplify. This is minus 7 plus 3. So that's going to give us negative 4. Negative 4 now, another negative 4 divided by, at this denominator we are going to have negative 10 multiplied by negative 10. Alright, so how do we go? We move further. Please, I believe you understand how this expression actually became negative. Just like what we discussed in our previous videos, when you have negative, it means something you are owing. Positive means is your money. So you are owing 7 naira, you have 3 naira. So when you pay the 3 naira you are having, you will still be having an outstanding of 4. So this is a scenario or a kind of simplification idea that we can always apply to cases like this for us to not to be getting confused, and so that we can know what exact thing to write. All right, so we will simplify further. We are going to have positive 16, because 4 times 4 is going to give us 16, minus times minus is going to give us plus, divided by, also we have minus times minus, which is plus, 10 times 10, that is 100. So to simplify this further, I can see that 4 can go here, 4 can divide it. What is a factor here? 4 in 16 is going to give me 4, while 4 here is going to give me 25. So finally, the final answer we are going to have here is going to be 4 divided by 25. And since we can't simplify further, we are going to rest our case here. All right, let's look at another question. This is another question. This is question 3. And in this case, we are to evaluate AB into the square, multiplying the square root of AC squared plus B squared, given that A is equals to 2, B is equals to -3, and C is equals to 4. All right, so let's just substitute this. We have our A already to be 2, so we have 2, okay, B multiplied by B, which is -3, then B multiplied by the square root of C squared, which is 4 squared, plus our B squared, which is -3 squared. All right, so if we do this, we are going to have 2 multiplied by -3 is going to give us -6, multiplied by the square root of this is going to give us 16, and of course this is going to give us 9. All right, so I believe you understand that -3 squared means -3 multiplied by -3. So this is what we have. This is how I got that value number. Minus multiplying minus, constant multiplying constant. All right, so if that is done properly, we are going to have -16 multiplied by, this is going to give us 25, okay, which is going to be -6. Of course, the square root of 25 is 5. We are going to have -6 multiplied by 5, which is -30. All right, thank you very much. I believe we enjoyed this video. This is all what we have for you on substitution. It's very easy. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.